Hi, I'm Michelle Levesque, and I've been assigned the Epstein-Barr virus. This particular virus is part of the herpes family. It falls under the HHV4 category, and that means it is part of the human herpes virus number 4, and then within that, it is in the subfamily of gamma viruses. Epstein-Barr typically affects epithelial cells, and so one of the most common things that you'll see with it is mono. Now, they do say that about 90% of people of adults are infected or are carriers for Epstein-Barr. And of teenagers that are infected, only 35 to 50% of them actually get mono. And by the way, it's critical for teenagers because it's the kissing disease. It is passed through respiratory secretions and saliva. Now, Epstein-Barr is a double-stranded DNA virus. It does have an envelope. And the kicker for this one is that it will cause, or it can cause cancer. In 1964, it was recognized as, it was the first virus to be recognized as one that causes cancer. And so when you're initially infected with it, it will be in the lytic or cycle. So it is replicating and doing its thing just like a normal virus. But then it will go latent. And so it'll just sit back and hide and wait until the right opportunity, maybe with a weakened immune system, and it will come back, and that's when it'll come back in other ways. And so since it is an epithelial, or it affects the epithelial cells, lots of times it'll go to the lymph nodes, and so lymphoma. It will also affect the you can get nasal pharyngeal cancer, which is right behind the nose, kind of at the top of the throat. There are a few others. They say that it can have an effect on a person getting multiple sclerosis and a couple other ones. But we do not have a vaccine for it. Sometimes it is treated with antivirals. And I think that's about it. Thanks.